Three villages A, B, and C are such that B is 53 km on a bearing of 295 degrees from A, and C is 75 km east of B. Part A. Using a scale of 1 cm to represent 10 km, draw a diagram to show the relative position of villages A, B, and C. 2 marks. Determine the distance in kilometer of C from A. 2 marks. That is part B. How can we handle this problem? We are told that using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 10 kilometer, so you can say that a scale here 1 centimeter represent 10 kilometers, and one of the distance is here 53 kilometer. 53 kilometer. Three villages A, B, and C are such that B is 53 km on a bearing of 295 degrees from A. So we can convert 53 kilometers to centimeters. So we can say that 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometers. What about 53 kilometers? We cross multiply. 53 times 1 divided by 10. 53 times 1 we can say that 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometers. Then what about 53 kilometers? We cross multiply. So it will be 53 times 1 over 10. 53 times 1 over 10, which is 5.3 centimeters. So that is three villages A, B, and C are such that B is 53 km on a bearing of 295 degrees from A, and C is 75 km east of B. We can convert 75 km into centimeters. We can say that 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometers. What about 75 kilometers? So we cross multiply. It will be 75 times 1 over 10. 75 times 1 over 10, which is 7.5 centimeters. So now we know that the distance A to B is 5.3 kilometers, which we have converted to be 5.3 centimeters using the scale that we have been given, and the distance from B to C is 7.5 centimeters. That is representing 75 kilometers. The distance from A to B is 5.3 centimeters, representing 53 kilometers. Distance from B to C is 7.5 centimeters, representing 75 kilometers. And we are being told that three villages A, B, and C are such that B is 53 km on a bearing of 295 degrees from A. 295 degrees from A. Three villages A, B and C are such that B is 53 kilometers on a bearing of 295 degrees from A. So that is B is 53 kilometers. B is 53 kilometers on a bearing of 295 degrees from A. So we can draw a sketch like this one here. Our first point is A. Our first point will be A here. And we are being told that B is 53 kilometers away from A. So that is 53 kilometers, which is represented here by 5.3 centimeters here. So this is 53 kilometers from here to here. And the bearing is 295 degrees. So when we talk about the bearing, then it means that we go on the clockwise direction. So we go from here to here up to here. This is giving us 295 degrees. So we can get the distance between here and here. The whole of a circle is 360 degrees. So if we want to get the degree here, then it is 360 degrees minus 295 degrees. That is giving us 65 degrees. So here this is 65 degrees. So now we can find the position of village B from A here. We use our protractor to get the angle, angle 65 degrees. We get the angle 65 degrees using our protractor. So this is 65 degrees. The angle is here. So we draw a line. Then after drawing a line, we draw a straight line. Then we use our ruler. To get the measurement of 5.3 centimeters. So this is 5.3 centimeters. Then we mark it. After marking it, then now we are being told that village C is 75 kilometers east of B. This is B, and this is east of B. So east of B, it is 75 kilometers east of B, and we are representing it with 7.5 centimeters. We represent 75 kilometers with 7.5 centimeters. The one which we got from here, 7.5 centimeters. So this is east. C is 75 kilometers east of B. So this is the east direction. This is north. This is east. This is east. This is west. East, west. So this is 77.5 centimeters or 75 kilometers. 7.5 centimeters east of B. So we use our ruler to get the measurement of 7.5 centimeters, which is here, 7.5 centimeters. Then we mark it. we mark it here, 7.5 centimeters. Then now we have answered question part A using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 10 kilometer. Draw a diagram to show the relative position of villages A, B, C. So the relative position of villages A, B, C is this diagram here. This diagram here. That is part A. Then part B, determine the distance in kilometer of C from A. Distance in kilometer of C from A. So now we want to get the measurement from A to C using our ruler here, and it is giving us 3.5 centimeters. It is giving us 3.5 centimeters. So now we have told that 1 centimeter represents 10 kilometers. That is our scale. Now what about 3.5 centimeters? It will be 3.5 centimeters times 10 kilometers divided by 1. We just cross multiply. 3.5 times 10 divided by 1, which is equal to 35 kilometers. 35 kilometers. So our answer for part B is 35 kilometers. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.